Hello.
Hi.
What are we doing today?
The trucks hit the trails part 2.
Part whatever, yeah. So if you guys actually go back to like the early videos, like episode 4, I believe it was, we did 2 trucks hit the trail. It was those 2 trucks right there, and that video got a lot of views. So in the woods back here behind my house.
Swamp.
Yep, and here is the brand new crawler track.
Way down.
Oh, here comes the rain. Oh, great. That's just fantastic, isn't it? Yeah, it's loud. We're already getting soaked, so.
We're not here for 10 minutes and we haven't even.
Yeah. do you want to come back later?
Yeah, let's come back.
Okay. Should we just leave the trucks there? What the heck?
I'm unimpressed.
We literally were just about to get going, and it starts downpouring. So we're now stuck in the garage until this is over. Which probably won't be for a long time. Yeah. What the heck? Come on. I'm all wet. I'm all soaked. Well, good thing we came back when we did, because we would have been absolutely drenched. So there's not really much we can do right now other than just wait this out.
We got this absurdly huge battery in here.
Yep, we got a big old 5200 2S in there. Traxxas receiver stuff here, because we couldn't get the Dumbo stuff to pair, so.
That's really weird. We tried like 17 million times and it just would not connect.
Yeah, that was weird. We'll just wait this out and we'll have to get back out there when it stops raining. All right, so it's a little while later. The rain let up.
Yes, it's probably gonna start at like when we're on that board.
Yep, once we get over there, it's gonna start raining again. Yeah, this is just all soaking wet now. Now, Henrik's never been on this course yet, so I'm interested to see how he does.
I'm already bottoming out.
You already bottomed out?
Yeah, right up on that.
Oh, I just moved this thing. Don't move on me. Yeah, this thing, here, come on. Why do you do that now? So the key for this is kind of relying on my camera right now so I can see that back tire. And we need to go more that way. Oh, barely on it.
Am I on?
Yeah. How we doing up there?
I'm gonna step over this.
Okay. Oh.
This might be too wide.
Here, we can move that there. Cheat a little bit. I'll catch you if you fall. Oh, you actually got on that way easier than I did. Jeez, I struggle on that part.
I think it might be because of the.
It might be because you're a little smaller.
Yeah.
You really don't want to fall off of this.
We put a little tape over the bottom of my receiver.
Yes.
To try and keep the mud out.
Yep.
We put a little tape over the bottom of my receiver.
Yes.
To try and keep the mud out.
Yep. I'll go across this little bridge section here onto a little rock crawl. Okay, there we go. Now, here, come over where I am.
Okay.
Steer the other way.
Am I good?
You're good, looks like. There you go. It's slippery.
My tire's only halfway on.
Yep. Yeah. Oh, the rain's coming again. Of course. Hey, we made it a little bit past the bridge before it started raining again. Dude, nice. You made it past the hardest part of the trail, like, way easier than I did.
It's hard because my steering is, like, only halfway there.
Yeah. Go ahead and turn the GoPro.
Hardest spot for me is probably gonna be
Where?
going up that log right there.
Yeah, so this is actually, I did that on purpose because my truck even gets hung up on this part. Get up there. Yep. I even have a longer wheelbase, but your transfer case comes down.
I can't see.
Here, come over here where you can see it. Here, I'll get over here. Yeah, the rain's really coming down now, but might want to back up a little bit. Here, I'll get on you. I know, you don't want to fall. Here.
Hand to God, number
Nope, nope, keep going. I'll just catch you if you fall. Can you back up a little bit? Now hits, back up and hits, oh, can you wiggle? You're almost there. You're so close.
John, traction.
Yep, spin your wheels and turn. Oh. Yeah.
It's okay.
That's okay, it fell on the other side. You're good.
Yeah, okay, we're good.
You're good.
We're good. Okay.
All right, now this part will be, I'm gonna try and get through this. I have no idea if you will. All right, so this is a top heavy part right here, or well, where you don't want to be top heavy. Now this, can we get through? Oh, I was able to power through. Are you gonna try?
Yeah, I'm going to.
Oh,
I'm stuck.
All right, yeah, get yourself back up there. Yeah, there you go. Oh, there you go. Oh, nice. Oh, makes it. Oh, I'm in his way. Hang on. It was a little tricky. Oh, yeah, pretty. And this bridge here gets pretty narrow. Oh, when your lights fell out. Oh, you got it. Nice. Perfect. Now, make a descent. Yeah, reposition yourself there. You can just come down. Nice and easy. There you go. All right, so the rain's coming down a little bit harder now. These rocks are pretty wet. I'm already hung up, I ain't paying attention.
Let me know if you need to go backwards or backwards.
There's lots of traps in here. Super wet. Oh.
That wheel is caught up in there.
Yeah.
Oh no, I don't think I can get through here and sliding off.
Here, try go that way. Try that way, it might help. Might be a little easier.
I'm hung up.
Dude, it is raining like crazy back here. Holy cow, it's raining crazy. Just fast forward a little bit. We're getting drenched back here. All right, you might struggle. This is some hard parts over here. I'm gonna go around that way. Oh, dude, I'm soaked. These parts I just put together yesterday. Little trap there. Hang on, this is probably gonna be pretty difficult here. For me. Yep, I'm hung up. I gotta move back. Yeah, you got pretty far. Question is, can I get up here?
Oh yeah, I did it.
Oh, I got it. Oh. Oh, I'm falling. No. Get on. Get back up there.
Okay, I'm on there.
Oh, jeez.
I'm just trying to go around the outside here.
Oh, yeah. All right. I'm off. I'm off here. Oh, He's mudding through it. Oh, look at it. Oh, you're actually making progress.
Hey, go in front of me.
Okay.
I don't want to be gone.
I don't even know if I can. Oh, I can speed my way through, it looks like.
So I made this one nice and soupy, so if you want to grab it.
Okay. I think I'm hung up on a trap. Oh. Yeah, I got hung up somewhere on there. I just made that nice and easy for me there. Alright, screw that part. I'm gonna fast forward here. Oh, look what you're doing. That's crazy. Alright, final stretch. Alright, this part, there's kind of no option. Oh, I'm stuck.
I got stuck coming out of it.
Gonna try again?
Yeah. Dang it, come up right here.
Yeah. Try and get on. Yeah, there. Little push. Oh, can you back up and get on? Oh! Back up, get some. Oh, I think you're stuck in a hole there.
Can I back up?
Yeah.
Oh.
Just hop your way over it. There you go. Oh.
I don't understand how that just worked, but
That was like crazy.
it did, and that's all it matters.
Yeah. Oh gosh. Oh.
No, I saw that coming.
Oh jeez. Okay, we've got a trap right there to get hung up on. Okay, I'm able to move my way out. Doing all this one-handed, by the way. Dude, you got really muddy.
Yep.
Yep, there's a trap right there.
No.
Here,
Put it back. I'm gonna put it back in there.
try and do that again. Hey, try and go around. Oh! Henrik just dipped. Oh, and he's driving the truck. Can you get out? Yeah, it's dangerous territory back here. Well, at least you repositioned yourself.
Yeah.
You might need some speed off of that. There you go. Oh, it goes around. Get right up. Oh, I almost just did the same thing. You almost just did it again. Wow. I did not think your truck would be able to get through it that good. I mean, you did better than I did. All right, and here is the exit of the trail. Let's go mudding. Oh. We're pretty stuck in there. Oh! Here, let's go wash off.
Stop, can you please?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Oh, wait.
No. Too deep.
Where do you want to go?
Put it on the rock.
Okay.
And I'll go that way.
This way?
Yeah. That might have done it.
Oh, you done?
Yeah, I've no more go over my scanner.
Let me just wash it. Oh, I think my motor's acting up. Yeah, that's pretty deep water, y'all. Oh. I think I'm just about done as well. But I think we're pretty cleaned off, so.
I think I know what did it. The servo, or the receiver.
Yeah. Yeah, you might have got some water in that receiver. All right, well, let's throw the sopping wet trucks up here. Well, there you go. That was pretty crazy, wasn't it?
Yeah. And I took a dip too.
Yeah, yeah, you did. That was a pretty crazy trail run. I'm surprised both trucks made it through, like, alive. We're both like running. We're both still barely working.
I can go. I think I just have dirt in my motor, and it's like plugging it up, and I can't stop working.
Yeah.
But if you look, plug it
Oh
in.
yeah.
Turn it on. Never mind, it might be done.
Yeah, we'll blow the crap out of there. Get some oil on there. We'll get her working again.
Yep.
But yeah, guys, so there you have it. 2 trucks hit the trail. We're absolutely soaking wet. Henrik definitely is after falling.
Too.
Yeah, so if you enjoyed that video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you all in the next episode. Peace out.